Okay, so this was the project XRP that in the previous video we have discussed. This is the first AI healthcare platform built on the XRP ledger, which is AI powered in healthcare with the HIPAA grade standard privacy. And then here we have some more details that this is a utility layer powered by XRPH AI, rewarding real health engagement in XRPHI through app activity and healthy actions. Okay, guys, so I just got to the official Mexi link from the team, and this is actually a really big milestone for the project. So, so as you can see, we are now on the official Mexi listing page, and honestly, getting listed on the exchange like this is not something every project achieves. It takes serious effort, credibility, and community support. Now, if we scroll a bit, you can see all the important details right here. Their live price, trading volume, market activity, everything is updating in real time, which is really interesting to watch. This basically means the project is now open to a global audience, more traders, more visibility, and obviously more potential growth from here. What I personally think is that listing like this can really change the momentum of a project. It gives it more exposure and also builds a stronger level of trust in the market. Also, if you are new, Mexi is well-known crypto exchange where a lot of emerging projects start gaining traction. So being listed here is definitely a positive sign. But yeah, as always, don't just jump in blindly. Take your time, do your own research, and understand the project, and then make your decision. Then here we have details of the XRP AI project. This is the first AI healthcare platform built on the XRP ledger, and it expands the ecosystem with AI-powered healthcare application that connect users to digital health tools and prescription savings across more than 68,000 pharmacies in the United States, including CVS, Walgreens, and more things. Then here we have details of their platforms. You can download the app, trade with zero fees. You can buy USDT instantly. Also, you can join the community here. We have the sport and everything. We are going to check on this. So this is the best thing that they are now listed on Mexi. So I'll drop the link of Mexi in my description, which you can use to check by yourself. Here we have the latest event as well, and then reward distribution, etc. So you can check out the details of this project as well. So here we have details of the new listed daily trading volume with the unveiled details and more rewarding. So you can check the details of Mexi as well. And here we are again redirected to their website. You can check the details of this project on website as well. This is the first AI healthcare platform built on the XRP ledger. You can download it through Apple Store and Google Play Store. And then this is a utility layer powered by XRPH AI, rewarding real health engagement. Alright guys, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project.